Hello. I'm trying to fix this. I sound too formal. Screw it. Connection. Oh, this is what happens. Sign of PSN. Okay, hold on. Okay. Hold on with that. Ha. I don't know how to hold this. Ha. I don't know. Can't hold it with my mouth. Ha. Ah. Can't do it. Mini fridge. No, it's gonna fall over very terribly. Okay. Is that gonna? Okay. No, I'm screwed there. Okay. This is gonna be hard. Okay. If I do this, is this gonna work? Yes, it will. In the legs. Something's wrong. It is right. Alright, well, I'm having this problem with the PS3. I don't know what's happening to it, but whenever I would complete this, you know, all this jazz, okay, it would say, oh, this is new, okay, I'm in somewhere, friends on Facebook, do this later, and this is, oh, that was new, really? Now you work? After days, you work. Now. And I'm just putting up a video of how to stop this. You're a confusing console, you know that? You are a confusing console. By the way, that doll is haunted. It keeps moving.